बहुत सही परफॉर्मेंस है यार। भाई साहब चलानी नहीं आती तो लेते क्यों हो?
Good morning YouTube, this is Wheels Take Me and I have 4 more riders with me including 2 Dukes and 2 Dominars and 5th one again me on Dominar. We are right now at India Gate and on a casual Sunday morning ride. Like always, this place is a hot spot and is super crowded. Onto my left I see a Dominar followed by a Duke and a Renegade Commando. Wow. And that's a bikerning group. How about a thumbs up and some smiles? So we spend time over here. The plan is to go to Connaught Place to have some breakfast. So we reach up to this outlet in the outer circle, which is Jain Chawal Wale, very famous for early morning breakfast. We plan to have some parathas and lassi. And while doing some talks, we decided to go towards Faridabad, the Lost Lake, to do some off-roading action. So let's wrap up quickly over here.
I'll clear the tail. I'll clear the tail.
So we are heading out of Connaught Place and the next thing you will see on the screen would be the Faridabad road. And a brofest. Enough of the highway, let's start with some off-roading now.
रोक के wait साथ में चलते हैं उसको आने दे. Is he comfortable off-roading? Is he comfortable off-roading? I'm asking, is he comfortable off-roading? Oh, crash. Dude, you okay? अरे यार यहाँ पे ना एक्चुअली स्लोप है तो वही पैर रखने में प्रॉब्लम होता है. I forgot his name. Toshesh, let's do Toshesh. Okay, his name.
Sanjeev right now riding the Duke 250. He is a fairly new rider. This is his first bike and hasn't spent much on the saddle as well.
Okay, good. आराम से left से. Okay. कोई नहीं. कहाँ से हो भाई? गाड़ी का नंबर देख ले भाई. दिल्ली? क्या यहाँ पे? हाँ यार, कैमरे हाई कर दो एक बार, ऐसे कर दो.
अरे गाड़ी मुंड मारो, डोलन बैठ में जान दे.
जाएगी बाइक नीचे? बाइक जाएगी नीचे?
गाड़ी पर तुम देख गाड़ी में मर जाएंगे. कोई
क्या होता है? हाँ? अबे पानी में कौन जा रहा है? मेरे को तो वैसे भी तैरना नहीं आता, मैं तो छूता भी नहीं हूँ पानी.
जाओ बाइक तो कैसी
No problem. आजा भाई.
So like I said, the off-road is actually very steep. You can see that the stones are very edgy and there is some part of loose soil as well, which makes it difficult. for stopping and then going once again, because once you stop, the stones block your path, and then you have a lot of soil which results in loss of traction. But then again, this is the only reason why we come over here, because off-road is something, a whole different experience. Two of our riders, Nimesh and Toshesh, are already at the other side. The Duke 250 guy, Sanjeev, is behind me. Right in front of me, that's Sami struggling with his motorcycle.
Hurry up, daddy is coming, bro. अटक गई बाइक अटक गई ha 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 ha. Get down, pull the rear end this side. खींच अपनी साइड खींच, नहीं अपनी साइड खींच इसकी टेल को ना, या गुड ऐसा होता है, देख भाई, जो हेल्प करता है उसी को लात मारते हैं दूसरे लोग.
Now this is crash number 3. Just to give you a better view, Nimesh was making a video from his phone from the other side of the pit. I was actually scared at this point because I thought if Samir rolls down from his bike, he will go straight into the pit. But fortunately, he did not. And a happy burnout.
Made it alive in one piece. Welcome to Death Valley.
Please note, we in no circumstances promote swimming in the Death Valley. In the past, there have been multiple deaths in this place, so please be cautious. Go at your own risk. If possible, do not attempt to go for a swim.
Huge place. नहीं वहां से मत उठा, हट यहाँ से उठाना पड़ेगा. Go 1 2 3. ठीक है, आराम से. तुझे लगी नहीं ना? कोई बात नहीं, पत्थर हटा रहा हूँ. यहाँ से निकाल ले. चल, रेडी 1 2 3. चल. मेरे ग्लव्स ले जाएंगे यार मंकीज. चल मैं धक्का मार रहा हूँ, बैठ जा. जा 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 थ्रॉटल दे थ्रॉटल दे थ्रॉटल दे बंदर ग्लव्स तो नहीं देगा मेरे नहीं too many grasses man too many grasses okay my turn I hope I don't crash
So guys and girls, this brings us to the end of our Sunday expedition. We rode through India Gate, Connaught Place, and last of all, some off-roading fun at the Lost Lake. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop down in your comments what you think about this ride, and would you like to join us for any future rides like these. Thanks again for watching, and I wish you happy ride.